bring the sacrifice of praise into the house of the Lord. We bring the sacrifice of praise into the house of the Lord as we offer unto thee the sacrifices of thanksgiving as we offer.
Good afternoon, guys. How are you all doing? Good afternoon, good morning, depending on where you're watching from. So on today's episode, we are making low budget fried rice. I don't know, I think all over the world the economy is somehow. So on episode today, I am making low budget, just with small amount of money. So stay tuned and enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe and like and pass your comment at the comment section. Thank you, love you, bye. You tired of your regular white rice and stew? So let me take you on a journey of Sapa fried rice. Well done. So after placing your pot on the cooker, I put in my oil, crushing some ginger, and had my well-washed rice. I washed my rice with salt and drained off the water. And after putting the rice, I added curry, thyme, and I start frying, turning. You have to be frying. You have to keep frying so that it's not going to get burnt. After frying for 7 minutes, I added my beef stock. You can add chicken stock, and if you don't have any protein stock, add water, add salt, add seasoning, taste it and adjust the seasoning, then cover. Let your rice be cooking. Let it cook on medium heat. I added bay leaf, for just good aroma. It's Sapa now. Sapa doesn't mean we should not eat. So this place, my rice is already rising. It's greening. It's fried rising on point. And this is me. What did I do here, Seth? Oh, I put my pan on the cooker, then add some oil, then add the chopped onion, saute for a few minutes. After sauteing, I added the carrot. Boom, with the carrot seed. Then mix, add the green pepper, the farro, and mix. It was actually the aroma. It was nose blinding. Even the whole neighborhood knows that something is going on. Yes, I added curry, thyme, and some salt and some seasoning cube. You have to be careful, you've already had salt and seasoning to your rice, so you have to be careful, just small. Then I added my ogbonge liver. Yeah, so there's no money for sausage, so I'm making use of liver. This period, just eat according to your pocket. Then I added the small sweet corn I bought. Then mix. You can see the color, so colorful. Yeah. Then we are done with that one. So what did I do next, Seth? Okay, look at it. See, it was so colorful and yummy. Now our rice is rising. Yeah, I just love the rice, not too soft. It has that crunchy, not too crunchy, when your rice is not too soft, but it's done. And I started mixing the fried rice with the veggies. Mix. I mix in batches though, so that the veggies will go around. Then you can see this is so beautiful and so delicious. You will not know this is Sapa rice if say I get chicken and I garnish this with chicken beside it. You go know say person cook. Yeah, so this is mix. Then after mixing thoroughly, you want the veggies to go around. You don't want your veggies at one side and why other side of the rice doesn't have veggies. So you have to be generous in mixing your rice. Then after that, I garnish it with my spring onion. Yes, I bought small spring onion. so I just put it on top for just some coloring. And after that,
A few moments
it is
later.
ready. You can see it. Add some fried meat. Thank you. Yeah, let our guests talk now.
Bring the sacrifice of praise into the house of the Lord as we offer unto thee.
It's nice, I like it.
Like this, seriously.
Yes.
Yeah, so
Will you pay to eat this?
Yes, obviously.
Obviously. Say hello to my viewers.
Hi.